Elegant.
For greater success, for stardom, for achievement of all our dreams and desires. Hip, 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 hooray! Hip, 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 hooray! Hip, 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 hooray! Music! The fear of many parents, as you people observe about their children and music, you have annulled it. Yes. I'm going to be an ambassador of talking about elegant music. Because I won't say all the parents. Some parents don't really understand what parenting is actually means. True. I did not come with my son here because I feel I should support him. As a little boy, I grew him up. And he came up. If I asked him, can you do this? He said, music. Are you doing that? He said, music. Wow. I decided to talk to you because of one thing. I entered into this place suspicious. But I've seen that elegant music empire is purpose driven. I thought it was about singing and dancing, presenting an award. I didn't know we are here to make speeches on positivity about life. Wow. If any of you goes home today and remain as you have been negatively, you are not a serious person. Sure. May looking at them, especially the Oga Pata, you may think he's just one of those boys outside. But listening to him today has proved that we will still get it right.
Please, let's clap hands together for all the people that did not get consolation prizes. Alright, so you have contested, you have voted, even the person that had one vote, you have voted and you have not gotten consolation prize. We appreciate you. We appreciate you for contesting. We appreciate you for sending your video and not just allowing your video to just be on our YouTube channel without any move. At least you had one vote and up to 20 something. We appreciate you. Thank you very much. Alright guys, I've been talking all this while. Before we get into the award presentation, we have very beautiful looking awards in here. Let's have our artistic director say a few things. His name is Mr. Dan OK. Please, let's hear him as he gives us just 5 minutes motivation speech. Thank you guys.
Thank you very much. I actually have a very small voice. Can you hear me from there? All right, awesome. I want to talk about 3 things. I'll talk about talent, I'll talk about opportunity, and lastly, I'll talk about action. Talent, opportunity, and action. You know, many people think the talent is just enough to get you where you want to go. And he's been trying to explain a whole lot of that to you. A lot of young people out there think because I'm talented, maybe someday something is just going to happen and then I get to the top. That's not true. Your talent needs intentional action to get to where you're going, to get you to the top. And this action cannot be a random action. Your talent needs to be backed up by intentional action, not a random action. No random action can get you to success. No random action can take you to success. And for many of you who voted in that competition, you should realize that it was that intentional action that have brought you here today. And don't doubt me, this is the opportunity that you have been waiting for. Many people out there would think that maybe one day they'll be discovered by Davido or they'll be discovered by Don Jazzy or something, and then they'll be signing to the record level, and before you know, they blow or something. But that's not true. Ashake, when he spoke, I don't know how true that rumor is. I got to realize that he had messaged Olamide for over 5 years trying to meet Olamide, but he could not until he was a bit intentional. You have to be intentional to get to your success. And that intentional action was everyday sourcing for votes, everyday sourcing for cash to make sure you vote and get to the top. It is not by mistake. You are quite different from the other guy who stays somewhere. Now, take for instance, there are many musical artists who believe that they can stay in the comfort of their home, maybe far away from, like he mentioned. They could stay far away from Ikorodu to make it. The truth of the matter is just like a young lady who believes she wants to get married to a very rich guy. But you see her going to clubs in Ikorodu, going to sit out restaurants in Ikorodu and all of that. Those places are not where the big guys are. So if you have to get to where the big guys are and get married to the big guy, you need to come to the island. Intentional action. That's an intentional action. So if you do not take that intentional action, and you might just be surprised. Look at that. The winner of this competition this time, this second edition, Jin Bell, took part in the first one. He's not giving up. Maybe others have. Consistency is another thing. Consistency. How consistent are you in getting to the top? Maybe some other time you were scammed by someone. There are many people who felt they were scammed, and as a result of that, they could not take part in a competition like this. When Elegant came up, they believed it could be one of those shams, something. But what happened because of your doubt, because of your inability to be consistent? You miss out. So you are all doing the right thing and you've been in the right place today. I can assure you that you continue being consistent, you continue being intentional, you are going to get to the top. Remember that no random action can get you to success. It is a deliberate, determined, rugged, and very, very dogged mindset that will take you there. And I'd like to appreciate particularly the father of NBA for coming here. It shows there is a shifting mentality, a shifting thought of the way our parents used to think. All right. We quite understand that not many parents would want their children to be musical artists. In those days, we found parents who never wanted their kids to play football. But things are changing right now. If you see a father who has supported the son to come up to this level, I think there is a shift in the mentality of the way a parent, and parents are actually doing great for their kids. And I want us to give a big shout out to NBA's father. right, so once again, I'd like to welcome you. I'd like to remind you that you are not in the wrong place at all, as this empire will do everything possible, and will not leave any stone unturned to ensure that you get to the top. Welcome once again. Thank you very much for coming.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we are getting into the other segment of this event today. These three beautiful awards are exclusively designed for the winner, the first runner-up, and the second runner-up for the movie Star Quest. Ladies and gentlemen, is this beautiful? You may be sitting down here and wishing, or you may be watching us and wishing, I contested and I'm not going to get an award. My brother, the next edition is coming 1st of December. 1st of next month, next edition is coming up. If you strive, you may become the winner. Yeah, I'm talking to you watching me right now. You may just become the winner. And when you win, it's not just about announcing you the winner. There are a lot of things that are waiting you in future. The winner of the first edition of AFROMUSIC TAENT SHOW, and the winner of the second edition, and the winner of all the editions, you don't know what we are planning for them from 2024. You don't know. We are going to blow your bubbles. So it's not just about you coming here and say, I don't win. No, it's not. If you strive and you win, just strive and win. Next time, just win. It is not over when we hand these awards to you. It's not over. There are some benefits, lifetime benefits, as far as AFROMUSIC TAENT SHOW is concerned. Movie Star Quest competition is concerned. There are some benefits, lifetime benefits, that is just waiting for you as winner. So this is a race, and you cannot sit back and say, I'm talented, I can act very well. I can act very well. I don't need to get into any competition. God will help me. God will not come down and help you. He will not. He will use people like us, who He has designed to help people's dreams and destinies come to life, to help you. And be very skeptical, be very careful so you don't fall into the hands of scams, because they are everywhere. They have more gentle faces than my own. Their faces are more gentle than my own. So you gotta be very careful so you don't get scammed. Just very few people are genuine, very few. So if you've come across Elegant Empire, you're lucky. So with no much ado, ladies and gentlemen, today we are standing here to give this award to the winner of the Movie Star Quest Season 1, which is no other person than Mr. Prosper Kolawale Ifidon. Please come all out and give pictures of him. All right, guys. Congratulations. All right. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Elegant Empire. I want to quickly say that my doubts have been cleared. Like I was speaking, people doubted it like seriously. Several things have been scammed. So I told myself, this is what I have to try. It was on the 1st of October when I saw him. What's up? He said, you can win it. And I told myself, I am going to win. Here I am with the awards. Thank you very much. And one more thing I have to say, I love the professionalism about these people. Elegant Empire. They are so professional. The person who do it this way doesn't fall beyond that. They do exactly what they say. Thank you very much. I wish I could participate again next time.
God bless you. God bless you. Be careful, it's very fragile. Yeah. All right, beautiful people. Today, Mr. Joseph John is backing himself an award of achievement, certificate of achievement Please can you clap for him? Beautiful. So say something. Say something to us.
Just want to say big thank you to everyone. I mean, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Thank you, everyone.
We are super excited to have you. Alright? The last person today to get herself an award of achievement is no other person than Choma James. Please come up. Alright, so before you go back to your seats, so say something to the viewers, say something to everybody here. Ladies and gentlemen, is this beautiful?
Yes.
Is this beautiful?
Yes.
If you hang this in your room, in your office, in your father's house, your father waking up in the morning and saying, my son has gotten an award of achievement at his age, my dear, it's something remarkably beautiful. Please, if you have not won, if you have not strived to get into the first three in these 8 competitions, please, my dear, strive. Get yourself there, because there is no greater satisfaction for your parents, your people from home to see this. So ladies and gentlemen, today we are calling on the second runner-up of the Afro Music Talent Show Season 2 to come all out and get his award. He is no other person than Mr. Samuel Omotayo. Please come up. Wow. This is beautiful. Please, can we clap for him one more time? All right, have it. Congratulations. All right. Thank you, DJ.
Well, I don't know what to say, but I appreciate the love there of my thank management and my entire team for this award. And to my friends, well wishers, supporters, family, and to everyone who supported me. And to everyone,
God bless you. Ladies and gentlemen, the next person to come all out here to back himself an award is no other person than the first runner-up of the Afro Music Talent Show Season 2, which is no other person than Mr. Adekunle Olaolowa. Please come outside. Alright, he's popularly known as Mr. Oli Roach. Ladies and gentlemen, can we clap for him?
Thanks everyone watching. I just have some few words to say. And then the competition has ended now, and this is the results. The first round, it wasn't easy. Yeah, it wasn't easy. That's why when I posted it, I said God big. My first big thank is to God. Yeah. And I have to say a very big thank you to my family. My dad, everyone in my family, especially my uncle there. My big uncle. They are really superb. They are saying
Welcome, Oli Roach. Please, before you go, please come for a photo. All right, so today we are going to be giving this award to the winner, the grand winner of the Afro Music Talent Show Season 2. It is no other person than Mr. Valentine Ikechuku. Please come out. Congratulations. Finally. All right.
Just want to say thank you for bringing us here to celebrate this sweet moment, because this is my best memory. I'm very happy. And then I want to say big thank you to my mom. Wherever she is, I'm very happy. But she gave me the biggest support in my life. And I also want to say thank you to Bush. But the guy was there. I really appreciate that. And some speakers too. And I appreciate every other person here. I appreciate the producer. And I also want to say a very big thank you to the CEO, the general of all general. In fact, I don't know how to say it. He gave me the biggest support. In fact, when I contested for this one, I can't tell you that I can't say that there's no one that gave me the kind of support, the kind of encouragement that he gave me. He was there for me, he believed in me. Whenever he calls that name, he's there. I was like, it's backing me up. Yes. So I'm really happy. I'm very happy, and I'm very happy with the Elegant Empire for their work and everything, for giving us here to do this and to partake of this big occasion. I'm very happy for that. So honestly, it's a big thank you. You're welcome. Everyone, viewers right there, my name is Frespa Kolawole Fido. Though I'm not a Yoruba, my dad once had his teen surgery in Ibadan.
Oh.
So he believes that I'll be the one to bring light into the family. That's the meaning of Kolawole, what will bring sweat into the family. Since then, I'll be scouring for it. I wouldn't want to stay like jump on every opportunity that I see. Koito and ready to say, he said a constant opportunity, you have to grab it. You just have to use it. People's opportunity come at once, but I just believe that these opportunity, they don't just appear as opportunity. But it only appears as opportunity to the opportunist. When he or she sees it as an opportunity and utilize it very well. That was what I did. When I saw it, I grabbed it.
All right, so briefly before you go back to your seat, tell us what your expectation. Now you're the winner of the Elegant Empire MOVIESTAR QUEST. What's your expectation from us, and where do you see yourself in 5 years from now?
You know, man proposes, God disposes. But with the plans that I have, by the grace of God, God willing, I should be better than where I am now. With the help of Elegant Empire, I believe I'll be in the globe. People will watch me. Why do I say so? I'm working with Elegant Empire, and I believe so much in them that they have this big dreams. Because the way people package things, it's not as though you're just packaging it. It's what you people have. That's what you're dishing out.
Yeah.
And if you can concrete this into me, I believe I'll go far.
Definitely.
So that's it.
All right. Beautiful one. All right. So what's your last word now to viewers all over the world? What's your word of encouragement to them? What can you say to everybody out there?
Viewers all over the world, I just want to let you know one thing, that it is always good to seize opportunity that comes your way. Seize it, try it. Even if you are scammed, at least you will gain from it. You will learn from it, experience. If you don't actually experience something, you can't tell the story. If I had not vowed for this, I wouldn't have been here today. For me to have come here, it's as a result of belief. I believe in what I wanted. and I went for it by the grace of God. Look at me. So if you are still there doubt, you have to keep that doubt. Always embrace opportunity. Learn how to try, because if you don't try, you can never win. And even if you did not win, don't stop trying. Just keep trying. You will one day emerge winner in whatever that you do.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. That was the words from the winner of the MOVIESTAR QUEST Season 1. Ladies and gentlemen, listening to him speak for these few minutes, I am already motivated. This guy is loaded, and no wonder your father named you the brightness, the star, the one that will bring light to the family. Ladies and gentlemen, this guy is a star, and no wonder he came all for the first time and struck himself to the top. This is the approach to success. We so much appreciate you. God bless you. Thank you. Have a nice time.
All right, so we have the truth right here with us. Please, a round of applause for the truth. Tell us your name and probably your stage name.
Okay, my name is Foley Peter and my stage name is The Truth.
The truth, you were one of the contestants in the Afro Music Talent Season 2.
Yes, sir.
How did you feel?
I feel so amazing. I feel blessed. I feel so grateful to be among one of the contestants for the Afro Music Talent Show.
Is it your first time ever being in a contest of such?
Very first time. Very first, and I'm very happy about it.
Alright, so you didn't win.
Yeah.
How did that go?
Yeah. No, they said we learn from our mistakes. Though it wasn't easy due to the voting and stuff, so but we need to work harder. I learned a lot from that. So I can't wait for the next coming season. So I'll try my best and do better for that.
So what do you expect from Elegant Empire?
I expect something big. But right from the start, when I started this competition, I saw Elegant Empire, something very big ahead. Like I won't told him in the text, like I sent him the text that said, trust me, this record label, this Elegant Empire is going places. You'll soon be recognized by the world. But that's what I believe. I don't know, I just fell in love with the name Elegant Empire. I just love it. And I have so much belief and faith in it.
Alright. Thank you very much to Truth. So you'd like to talk to your fans out there, what you have to say?
Okay, to you all watching me, first thing I'll say is a very big thank you to you all that supported and showed love. Though it was not easy, like a lot of people here did good for me, it was not easy. Like the video they posted on the YouTube channel, one of my favorite comments I saw there was a guy who was like, okay, this is crazy. I don't know this dude, but I'm voting for you. That really touched me because I can't believe somebody I don't even know me and I don't know is just a fan from out there and voted for me. I was really grateful. And I'm happy for those that voted for me. I'm really happy. Thank you so much. I love you guys.
And so you mean someone out there, so many people out there, not just that one, really appreciated what you did. Alright, thank you very much to Truth, and we appreciate you too for contesting. Look forward to having you in the next edition. Probably you may be the winner. Thank you very much to Truth.
So tell us about yourself. What's your name?
My name is Divine Favor Bihobot. I am an Igbo boy hail from Abia State, and I'm also a musical genius all around. Like, I play instruments and I compose songs myself. I play and I also write songs for some people.
So what instruments do you play?
I play drums and partially keyboard.
Alright, so where's your location? Where are you staying?
I'm staying at Kotu, Lagos State.
Alright. Welcome. You still want to say more about yourself?
No, that's all for now.
Alright. Can we clap for him? Okay, so we would really like to know your age. How old are you?
Okay.
You sound quite young, so I'd like to know your age.
Yeah, I'm 18.
Oh, I see.
But this is my move by next next 2 days I'm going to be 19.
Oh! Alright, it's nice to have you. Alright, a very young, talented individual. Very young. Alright, so you came all out and you are one of the consolation prize winners. What's your expectation from us and where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Firstly, I see myself big, like want to be connected with the people, like my people that I look up to in the music industry. Like I have many people I look up to. I wish to do stuff, do music, do art with them.
Yeah.
And I expect from Elegant Empire. Like I'm expecting from them. I expect a big push from them through my own talent.
And we're going to give that to you, alright? As far as you're ready to work with us, we're going to do that.
100% ready and fired up.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. Nice to have you. Nice to have you. Alright. So lastly, what's your word of encouragement to viewers out there who are watching you? Alright. What can you say to them as your last word?
Okay. What I have to say to viewers out there who are waiting, who are hoping to be in the limelight. Nothing good comes so easy. So you've got to work your way up. Even if you have been scammed many times, there's no harm in trying. Even though you've been scammed once, twice, 10 times, you can still try more. You don't know which one God is going to use to elevate you. Yeah. So just keep trying till you get what you want. God send your helper or your help through a means.
Beautiful. Yeah. Beautiful. Thank you very much, Mr. Prince Kelly, for coming around. It's nice to have you. Have a nice time.
So Flashboy, tell us about you.
Well, I'm from Anambra State, Moyi local government.
Okay.
And then I'm so excited, I'm so great, in fact I feel amazing.
Well, you don't look excited.
I'm so excited, yeah. I'm so much happy because of the moment I found this program on Facebook. I feel like let me try. Then I tried and I never think of the scammer, just that I didn't know the spirit that helped me to put my heart on my mind and my trust in this organization like this company like Elegant Empire. First finally I found out the good result on me because some of us thinking that it's a scam, but I never thought that way. Just trying to come out because it's 2018 to be on these music things. And I'm a singer also jot down music. But since then I'm looking for a way to promote my career because I believe that is my talent.
Alright, Flashboy, so you've been singing since 2018.
Yes.
It's quite a number of years. And have you done something of this magnitude before?
This is my first time.
Oh, that's great. So how did you come about the name Flashboy?
I didn't know it, I just that.
Who gave you the name? Did someone give
No
you or
one,
you
no
gave
one,
it
no
to
one
yourself?
gave me the name. No one gave me the name. I just feel right. I just used to know.
Alright, Flash. Alright, so you've been part of the contest. Elegant Empire is actually ready to shoot you out there. What is your expectation? Apart from the fact that we understand we're going to take you up there. But what is your expectation?
Well, my expectation is that from Elegant Empire is to take me up higher. Like I'm dreaming to be a celebrity, to be a superstar. And that was like my last dreams. Most 3 times I dreamed celebrating, like having music with those top talented musicians like the video and this way and the Bonabo.
That's good. That's good. Alright.
That's why keep on praying that one day I'll finally be on the stage.
Alright, Flashboy. So thank you very much, Flashboy. Flashboy, tell us, you say you want to be one of the top artists out there. I think I'm just curious. I want to know, what kind of music do you do? You say you also write music. What kind of music do you do? What genre of music?
Afro, not in free, I mean rap, just normal music, right? Afro music, I'm also involved.
All right. Lastly, you like to talk to your fans out there and the viewers out there. Tell them, give them a word of encouragement.
Well, what I would say to my fans, I would probably that whatever you do, do it well. Encourage yourself, whatever your spirit told you to do. Not discouraged by others. Rather, hear what your spirit told you to do it. Because sometimes normally work like that. Not everything your spirit told you to do. If you do it, you may fail, or if you do it, you may hopefully come.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Platform. Thank you very much, guys, for coming around. We appreciate you.
Thank you. My name is Edeline. It's actually drawn from the name Gideon. I cannot keep myself away from my name initially, which has to mean blessing. So I do music, I write music. I'm a writer all around because I have a story to tell. I have the ability to zoom into the world from every different aspect of it. I am a natural lover. Like, I like nature, I love nature. I can read people. So my music is it's broad. People that know me very well before now, initially, they know that I do R&B, I do jazz, I do soul. So recently, I started getting this inspiration about Afro beats, like Afro music. I never thought I could get such interest in that kind of music. You know, my dad is a pastor, and everybody wanted to do gospel. Yeah, I have very wonderful and very touching songs, of course, but I do know that I am this expressive person, and definitely I think I can be very, not like I think, I know that I can be very successful in whatever genre of music that I want to go into. I started doing this Afro music and I came across Elegance Empire competition. I would say, because we all know what's up online, it's all about scam and all of that. Everybody just want to make money from scamming. But I just said, well, maybe I should give it a try. Maybe I shouldn't. But Mr. Elegance here, if you feel like he's just encouraging you, you're not the only person he encourages. He does that for everybody who comes up to show any kind of interest. You try to encourage you. You should know that his interest is not about what the industry is all about. The industry is all about who is going to give them name, who's going to make them famous and all of that. But he believes in dreams from the scratch. He believes in something that is in you that you might not even be able to see. So he encouraged me to get into it. So that's why I'm here.
All right, welcome. All right, so Edeline, you emerged one of the people who are going to be going home with the consolation prizes. How do you feel?
Yeah, initially I've always wanted to be a winner of anything I find myself in it. But you see, because it came with the fact that we had to vote with money, like we said, most people actually thought it was a scam. And secondly, most people will never believe that I'd come back to music, because for some time, due to some ugly experience, I'd stayed away from music for a long time. So I get this feeling that they were like, what is she doing? And when they saw Afro music, it's like, really? Is she okay? And then when they get into that I have to pay money, like, are you sure it's not scam? And anyways, I just realized that since I could still go for another edition, I could win. So if you're coming for the next season, get yourself prepared, because I'm going to be the winner. Yeah. If you're the viewer outside there, go get your money, go get your cash, because I'm taking that season myself. Yeah, I want to get this award, and in the next few years, I want to be among those that meet the winners of the seasons of the competition from season 1. I'll be there. I don't know about you, but maybe I'll be there. So I feel good. I feel good to be here. I feel wonderful to be here.
All right. Thank you very much. It's nice listening to you.
Yeah.
So tell me, what is your expectation from us?
Yeah, it's very clear to see though. I understand that we have all the equipment in this premises that we all need to progress. But I sometimes might not be so encouraged to do a lot of things for myself, like push. So I believe that the Elegant Empire is actually a very huge entertainment company who have the capacity and the ability to push me to the limits. In short, there is no limit. It's Elegant Empire. There is no limit. So I want the Elegant Empire to help me, push me, because I do
Point
know
of
that
prominence.
yes, because I do know that I have the talent and I have the goal to actually become successful. I wouldn't say that, oh, I want to be one of the best artists in the world. I want to be that artist that will, give hope to people. People will listen to my music and they will be able to, relate with my music. And if it has to be with just a community that believe in what I'm doing, I'm fine with that. And I believe that Elegant Empire can help me achieve that.
Thank you very much. Of course. All right. That being said, beautiful lady, say your last word to the viewers out there and people who are listening to you. What's your word of encouragement
All
to
right,
them?
so all those who didn't vote for me and I'm right here. Anyways, thank you so much to those who voted for me. I really, really appreciate. Even if it was one vote for Sebastian, I'm mentioning you because you don't have, but yet you said, I believe in you, girl, go for it. For those who believed in me and those who didn't even chat or who didn't even reply or respond to I still say thank you. You are the reason why I'm pushing, because I will definitely make it up to you that I am what I say I am. And just like Burna Boy always say, I told them that I would be big, but they never believed. Now it is the time for them to see it. So I'm going to make you guys see it. Thank
NBA OC. Immediately I heard your name, I was thinking it's the National Basketball Association of the US, NBA. So what does the acronym stand for?
Okay, the meaning of NBA means never broke again.
Never broke again.
Yes, there is this artist called NBA Rainbow. So I'll say he's my mentor because I sing like him. So I just tapped that thing and added to my own.
That's wonderful. All right, NBA. I understand you did very well too in the AfroMusic Talent, and we appreciate the fact that your father actually supported you. So tell us, how did it go? How was the competition?
Okay, so one night like that, so I entered online Facebook. So I saw this Elegant Empire. So the caption there was like, if you are an artist and you are not working with us, you are missing out. So I tapped on the WhatsApp and I chatted them. He said that the CEO said that I should send my pictures and my details. And he asked me to do some certain things. I did well, as he said. And he said that, join this group, you are registered. I was like, thank God. I was telling my friends, my family, many people, they were like, wow, okay, we support. Some did support, some did not. Some did promise and fail. Some believed in me, some insulted me, some said that they like the music. Even this competition, I showed some of my friends who do music too, that they should join. It might be an opportunity to them. But today, I didn't see any of them here. I'm the only one who came. And I'm the only one too that his vote got higher.
All right. OC, congratulations to you. I'd like to find out, OC, your dad has actually supported you. What was, we can see that by his being here today. Would you like to tell us his role in the contest proper? What did he do for you?
Okay, I told my dad late because he's a very busy man and he works mostly late at night. So I don't want to disturb him. So one day, I called him and I showed him my link and I asked him, Dad, see this video. How do you see it? He was like, wow, you did fabulous in this. I like it. So on the caption on the floor, we are voting. And he was like, why didn't you tell me that voting is in this? I was like, Dad, I'm sorry, I don't want to disturb you. He said that, okay, how do you do the vote? I told him everything. I'm telling you the truth, from that day, I was getting 10,000 votes, 10 votes, 11 votes, 20 votes. I was like, Dad, thank you.
That's good.
And once I reached 100, so once the new rota came out, I was 102, and I told my dad I've reached the maximum. He was like, is it okay? I said no, we can still continue. Although it came late, because I know if truly my dad started from the start, nobody will pass him, I'm sure. I'm saying a big thank you to my dad for supporting me from the time I told him to the end of the day.
Alright, alright, so you've seen what Elegance have been able to do so far, and you've heard what we can do for you. What do you expect from your own end?
Well, the time I told the CEO that I was telling him about myself, most especially, he said that he doesn't see me as someone that has pride. Because that the way I talk to him, it means that yes, that I have passion for this, that he's going to complete. So I believe it with faith that before 5 years, I've achieved something with Elegance in mind.
Thank you very much, NBA. Your fans are watching and the viewers are out there. They want to hear something from you.
Okay, to my fans, my enemies too, I want to say a very big thank you for supporting me, especially Umike, my dad Vetre, and my mom, my auntie, everybody that supported me. I want to say a very big thank you for believing in me. And I want to say this, if there is no risk, there is no opportunity. So you have to risk that opportunity to get what you have. Thank you and God bless.
Alright, thank you very much, NBA. Thank you for coming around. Please, a round of applause once again for NBA. Yeah, so Mr. John J, it's a pleasure to meet you. Tell us about yourself.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
My name is Obidi John Obu. So from there, I now put J.
Wow.
So my baptizing name is John, and the confirmation name is Jerome. That's when I took two of them together to be John and J. So that's why I did my.
So where do you hail from?
I'm the son of Igede from Benue State.
Oh.
Normally, I come from a very poor family, but I wish to be win this award today. And what pains me more is that my daddy has late. They have a lot of things on the ground before I grow up. They are solving it, do this and do that. So when I was starting this music, it's not quite long, last 2 years. I have a lot of track, which I usually do post, do that, do this, but by then people didn't know me. But I hope through this elegant empire, I will be the best. So, thank you, and for those people that vote for me, Messi, John, my namesake, and my uncle, Jester, thank you, and I wish to win this award so that to prove myself to my family that the name they call me, that's not what I am.
You will.
So, but I know one day I will have this award.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was a long speech from John J. It's funny how a reverend father brought up is now into Afro music. I mean, it's crazy. That shows a clear example of someone who does not allow his background to put his back to the ground. All right? He pushed through to his destiny. He pushed for what he wants, and he's here to achieve it. And I want to encourage you. We are going to do everything within our powers to make sure your dream comes true. All right? You see the award that we are giving today. If you push yourself in the next edition, you are going to get yours. I don't know who is going to be the winner of the next edition. It may be John J.
I will be the one.
It may be Edeline. It may be any other person sitting down here and watching us. But I know that if you strive, you are going to win. Ladies and gentlemen, before I let him go back to his seat, I want you to say that your last word to your viewers, words of encouragement to viewers and fans all over the world. Tell us something.
Thank you once again. For my fans and my backup people, I thank you all and it's not going to be a funny enough because by seeing myself sitting down here, I just be like a king because I see a lot of different face, beautiful girls, handsome boys. Even what I am today now, I can see elderly person that even grow up with a white beard sitting down behind us, meaning that it's a daddy that usually encourage the children.
Yeah.
So I need somebody like this to be in my side.
Yes.
And to my family also, I thank you all. I thank you all. And I know one day, as my daddy write a letter before he left, that I'm going to be the leader of the house, that will raise up my brothers and my relatives. I'm going to be through elegant.
How are you today? I can see you are feeling very glorious with your award.
Yes, actually.
How does it feel?
It feels honored. I'm honored to have this award. Though, just like everyone has been saying, everyone aspires or wishes to become best. But I'm still content with this for now. But still just encouraging myself. I'll just take it up from there and start from there.
Congratulations once again. Please a round of applause for him. Susan Speaker, tell us about you.
Well, my real name is Akinyele Samuel Omotayo. Brand name Sam Speaker. I'm a singer, writer, a motivational speaker, an MC, and an MC too. But I find myself getting motivation, getting motivated from a motivational speaker. So it's like that's the CEO right there. Mr. Elegant Ababi, motivating the motivator.
That's right.
Yeah, thank you so much.
All right, so the contest. What was your major challenge in the contest?
Well, I find it, though I've been doing all genre of music, all kind of music from R&B to hip hop to juju to high life to, let's name it, to raga to reggae. While growing up, because I was born, let me say I'm a church boy, choir boy, so I do almost all genre. So when the contest came up, I saw it online and I was somehow skeptical about it. So I just braced up. I braced up just to join the challenge because I like competition. Even when I don't, I've contested in so many things as well. Even when I don't get to win, I just take a cue or just take something from it. And then base myself up for anything. As I was saying, I've done almost all genre. Came to the competition, I was like, I don't know, okay, let me just give it a try. But I saw competition, good composition. I don't know if I can just keep going on and on. But I really liked it. It was fun.
All right. Thank you very much. So tell us, what do you expect from Elegant Empire now that you've gotten here?
Elegant. I wanted to say something the other time, it skipped my mind. While I was singing, growing up, I did almost all genre, but I never gave up. When support didn't come, enough support didn't come, I had to just say, okay, let me just keep pushing myself, just keep singing. Because I do outside shows, I sing, I play live bands. So I just kept doing that till when the opportunity will come. And I believe that's coming. So that's it.
So you believe that this is a platform that will take you to that zenith of your career?
Yeah, I believe so. And I hope the Lord will strengthen the Elegant Empire team and just strengthen them to take us beyond our expectations.
All right, so would like you to talk to your viewers out there, and then you can talk to your fans out there too.
Oh well, to everyone that supported, to my friends and family, to everyone. I don't know. I can't just if I decide to start, I might not end on time. But I just like to thank everyone that supported me, and this is just the beginning. Sound Speaker. Keep supporting the brand, Sound Speaker. I always say Nigerian born singer because most times when I start speaking in American way, people just think, are you a Nigerian? So you don't even go there. Sound Speaker.
All right, thank you very much, Sound Speaker. We
Welcome.
congratulate you on your achievement and we hope to see you some other time.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
I love you all.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure to have you. Yeah. All right. So, tell us about yourself. What's your name?
I go by the name Akimule Olaoluwa Ibrahim. For those who live around me, they call me Ola. And I prefer the one Oli. Oli Gongo, the realest.
Oli
I love people calling me Oli. That name was derived from my name, Ola. Because people too call me Ola. So Oli, Oli.
Oh wow.
So that's my name. And I'm an afrobeat and afrofusion artist. Though I do sing on all beats. I think there's no, it's not that I'm not proud, but there's no beat that'll be given to me now that I can't go.
Now you can kill it.
I can go on all beats.
No, it's good. It's good to talk about yourself. That's not right.
But normally, I'm an afrobeat and an afrofusion singer.
Beautiful.
And then I like sampling. Oluwabona, Burna Boy is my biggest idol. I think I love him.
Beautiful.
But people do call me Oluwabona
Okay.
because I sing like him also.
All right.
Though I have what I'm vying for, but normally people do call me Burna Boy.
All right. You're going to be bigger than Bona. Yeah, I see you becoming bigger than Bona.
Yeah,
You're going to be.
I believe.
Push yourself, all right? Bona, where he is today is just a stepping stone.
Yeah.
You're going to get there and you're going to be bigger, all right?
I believe.
He was once like you, even lower, all right? And he grew up to that prominence. You too can do that, all right? Welcome, Mr. Oli Fresh. So you are with your award. You have successfully become the first runner-up for the Afro Music Talent Show. How do you feel backing this award today?
I'm so happy. I'm happy. But without some people who did this for me, I won't be here today. Standing as the first runner-up. I have to say a big thank you to my family. Always and always. Always and always. They ask me who brought me to this place. I have to say my family first. My dad. In fact, I'll mention their names now.
Go ahead.
My dad, number one. My big uncle here, he's seated there. As in, they really did a lot. Wow. As in, even concerning the likes and comments on Facebook, YouTube, they did a lot. Daddy, I didn't care. My dad, my uncle here, brother King, they didn't care. Big mommy. And there are so many, I can't mention names. If I can to mention names now, we won't live here. So they did a very nice.
Let's you know, guys, yeah, before you continue, you know, it's actually very, very encouraging to have a few people that are supporting you, all right? It's a lonely process to just push yourself all the way to the top, all right? But if you have people who believe in your talent, in your skills, then the struggle would be a little less stressful. He has a lot of people who actually backed him up. It doesn't also mean that he did not back himself up. If I asked him now, Oliver, did you vote for yourself? He will say yes. Definitely. Although he's acknowledging these people who have supported and encouraged him.
And there are still more of them.
Beautiful.
Saki.
Beautiful.
And my mom's senior sister's son.
Beautiful.
Three of our sons. There are so many.
Imagine
a woman from my street who is selling. She's just selling
along the road.
I just went. I met her. No, she's near my compound. So
right.
I met her. So I discussed with her. She just voted for me.
Beautiful.
Voted for me.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Most people here I do songs, as in they love me. That's why I said they call me Oluwabona. They love me.
Beautiful.
Even for my work, most people just anytime they see me, they're always happy. It's not that I'm proud. I'm not proud, but they always. They like seeing me.
You know, if
when I sing.
Yeah, beautiful. If not because Jim Bell was really strong, he was really determined from the start. This would have been the winner of the competition. I mean, you see the push. He was there. He was there from the start. Please, can we clap once again for I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. All right, so this is what I want you to know, all right? We are going to do all within our capability to ensure that this your light that is shining already keeps shining, all right? So tell the viewers, tell us all over the world, what's your expectation from the Elegant Empire music?
Well, my expectations from the Elegant Empire in the next few years, in fact, starting from now and today that I'm seated here, is that I want it to be said that in the next few years I'll be sitting on top of the world, just like when I was Elegant Empire, and I believe
definitely
because I'm always determined in everything I do. So I go, I fight for it, I strive hard. Even if I fall, I'll stand up again. The fans, just stay tuned, just stay tuned with me, because I believe in myself. I'll give you what you want. I want to give the world what will be pleasant to their hearing. Because they say music is pleasant to the hearing, so I want to give them what will be pleasant to their hearing. So that is what I'm vying for.
Beautiful. And ladies and gentlemen, he's a very good artist, all right? He's one of the people that when I looked through performances, I could count him into our very first set of people. Maybe the first 5, all right? His song came up in performance, one of the best, all right? So if you have not checked out for Oli Frosh performance in the Afro Music Season 2, please go to our YouTube channel right now, search for the name Oli Frosh. You're going to see him and you're going to be surprised at the kind of talent he has. And that's really not even his best. His best is yet to come. And we are here to make sure it comes out. Ladies and gentlemen, can we clap for him? Lastly, say your last word to the fans and viewers all over the world. Although you've said it before, just make it in brief. Conclusion.
Viewers all over the world, I say a very big thank you. Very big thank you. But still my family first. Before some few of my friends who also did well. I'm grateful, I'm very grateful. I'm grateful. And more big things coming on the way. Believe me. Because I believe.
Thank you very much, Mr. Oli Frosh. Enjoy the rest of your day. All right, guys. You see the boldness, you see the confidence, you see the charisma from walking to the stage. There is one self-confidence you have when you compete amongst not mediocres. You don't compete amongst mediocres. You compete amongst very talented people. You compete it's like competing amongst lions, and you become the king of lions. You become the winner of lions. I mean, that's like a great achievement. And I know how he feels right now. He's feeling victorious. He's feeling like for him to back this award, it means a lot of goodies is coming his way. So, with not much I keep talking, I want to hear from Jimbel. Jimbel is here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Jimbel, say something. Tell us about yourself. Introduce yourself.
First of all, my name is Madabuchiko Valentine, aka Jimbel 001.
Please let's encourage.
Yeah, I'm from Anambra State, Aniocha local government. Yes.
All right. So where are you located?
I stay at Ojo local government.
Here in Lagos.
Yes, here in Lagos.
Beautiful.
Yes.
All right.
And that's Abloshu side. For those that are staying around that Badagry School.
All right. All right. And listen, for some of you that don't know, if you celebrate whoever that has gone ahead of you, whether the person is older than you or you're older than the person, whether the person is richer than you or you're richer than the person, automatically you directly or indirectly attract that same energy. If you don't celebrate who has gone ahead of you, you cannot attract that energy. My pastor said something some years ago in the pulpit. He said, you cannot attract what you don't celebrate. You attract what you celebrate. So when the winner is talking, try as much as possible to clap for him. You know what you're doing for yourself? If you feel so big that you can't celebrate the winner today, I'm not sure when you stand up there on that big stage that you're eyeing, there'll be people that will celebrate you. I'm not sure. If you celebrate whoever that has won today, you too will win, number one. Number two, when you stand on that big stage where you're going to get international recognition award, a lot of people will definitely celebrate you. It's the true nature. It's nature facts. So celebrate whoever. Feel free. I was very happy when I saw Olive Fresh congratulate him when he won. He went online, congratulated him. And he too went online, congratulated all of the other people that were there. I was just watching the comments. I didn't even want to comment. I didn't want to answer. I was just watching what's going on, watching the energy. And I saw that these people, especially the first three in the Afro music, have very positive energy. They are very successful people in the making. Nobody is having grudges against anybody. I mean, everybody is happy. Everybody is great. So ladies and gentlemen, let us all stay in one accord, in one mind, and celebrate the winner. Please, can we clap for him again? All right. So tell me, Mr. Jimbo, how do you feel right now for being the winner of these? Imagine the faces that are here. All of these people. If I tell them now, stand up here and sing, we will not go here today. Very fabulously talented people. And you became the winner, not because you're the best singer. So how do you feel right now? How do you feel?
First of all, the competition was not easy in the beginning because I competed in the first season, and in fact the first season was, I don't know if there will be any other competition that will be that first season. It was very hot. It was massive because there was AK Crown and there was the winner there. In fact, I shout out to the winner because I looked forward to him. I look up to him because if not for the eye that I had on him, I would not become the winner. Yes, I shout out to Big Lewis. In fact, I really appreciate him because he opened the doors for the winners to come. Yes,
let's clap for the winner of the first edition. So Lewis, wherever you are now, you're being acknowledged. That was the winner. That's the winner of the first edition of Afro Music Talent Show. He's officially working with us right now, and his EP was already released some few days ago, and he's already streaming on all platforms. If you've not seen it, please find a way to contact us or check it out on all platforms, and we are going to let you see. And more to come. He's working on his second edition, his second EP right now as we speak, and we are flying. It's a fast lane. It's no darling. All right. So to everybody that is sitting down here, once I'm done with him, I'm going to read through all of what you're going back home with. All right? I'm going to tell you what you have ended up to achieve for yourself. What we are going to do for you via Elegant Empire Music. So via also Elegant Empire Films for the film actors. So just sit tight. Immediately after that, we're going to go into that session of reading through everybody. For you guys to know that this is not a joke, that this is real work, and we've started. All right. So Jimbel is here. Jimbel, tell us, now you've become the winner. Your dreams, just like you have said on your status the day you won, that your dreams has finally come true for you to become the winner of the Afro Music Talent Show. What's your expectation in 5 years to come?
Before I talk about my expectation in 5 years to come, first of all, you see, becoming a winner is not just aiming big. Becoming a winner is one of the biggest dreams that someone has to pray to achieve, because to hold an award and your name is written there as the winner is a very big thing. Because when I ran the first edition, I came out as the second one. So in this second edition, I was like, if I don't win this one, I will not stop until I win. That first edition, I really did my best, but at the same time, I left the remaining one to go. So I would not say that it was not successful. Yes, it was successful that I did not come out as the winner, but I came out as the first three. And being that, in fact, this very day, I have set a new record for myself and for the Elegant Empire, becoming the first artist under the Elegant Empire to contest twice, and they've taken my second award as a winner. That's
I didn't even remember. He has gotten 2 awards, and he's the first artist in Elegant Empire that has 2 awards. He got the first award in the first edition. Already, he was the second runner-up, just like our big brother here. And in the second edition, he's the winner. So that's like 2 awards. He got the first award in the first one, and the second one is getting the highest award. Ladies and gentlemen, can we clap for that?
So, becoming the winner, in fact, I shocked them. I told them that this is just the beginning. This is my time. Yes, my time is no longer coming. My time is now.
Yeah.
I shocked everyone. I shocked them. You see, I always come up with a different strategy. When I ran the first one, the strategy I used was not clear. I was like, okay, this second edition, I'll watch the game and see who is going to lead. So when the second edition, in fact, the second edition, the way it started, it was not as fast as the way the first one really pushed. Yeah. So because the first one, before 5 days, I was already seeing 300 and something votes. So the first one was it was very hot. But the second one, there's something I told Olifrosh when we first tried today. I told him that he was asking me how did the winner get up to second level. I told him that every competition cannot be the same. Understand? The way the first one was, it cannot be like the second one. Understand? So the first one ran very hot, but the second one, at the dying minute,
became hot.
So it was a strategy game. So I myself, when I was running it, I was like, I wanted to follow up like the way the ball. I relaxed back. I said no. At the patient dog eats the fattest one. So what I have to do is just watch the game, see who's leading, see who's playing. Okay. So becoming I'm fine right now. I'm feeling like a winner because I'm sitting at the high top. Yes, I'm on my throne already. Yes, and my lights are just started shining. Yes, so I'm very happy.
Thank you very much. Yes. Thank you very much, Jim Bell. All right. So lastly, what is your word of encouragement to viewers all over the world watching you right now? What can you say to them?
Okay, my words to my viewers, my fans, and also to every other contestant that are here is, number one, you have to be very, very consistent. Yes, that is number 1 key, because if I was not consistent in doing, I would not have won. Next time, if you're not a winner today, does not mean that it's over. Just like this Edwin said, and the next one, she wants to win. That was the passion I had in the first one. So in the second one, I was aiming to become the winner. And in fact, I did not even believe myself, because at the dying minute, in fact, I can never forget that day. At the dying minute, I was like, boom, and it dropped like a bomb. So it was massive, very, very massive. So I want my fans and my viewers to know that we are just starting. Elegant Empire has not gotten to the limits where they are aiming for, but this is just the beginning.
Yeah.
Yes. The way the first one was and the way the second one is now is not the same thing.
Yeah.
Yes. So we're aiming higher. And I believe that very soon that Elegant Empire will climb to the top. And thirdly, I pray and I believe that one day I will be the face of Elegant Empire.
Yeah.
That's my biggest goal.
Yeah.
Whenever they see Elegant Empire,
they will see Jim Bell. All right.
So I'm very happy.
Thank you very much. Your journey with the Elegant Empire just started. All right? Thank you very much. Thank you for coming around. It's a pleasure to have you.
Viewers, we have the first runner-up of the MOVIESTAR QUEST, Joseph John. You're welcome. And how did it feel being the first runner-up? I know you actually expected to be the first position, but that didn't go well. How did you feel?
I feel happy too, very happy, because it's not easy. And the time that I wanted to give up, but I said to myself, no, don't give up. Just keep pushing. You might reach where you're wishing for, your dreams. Because it has always been my dream to act ever since. Yeah, because my role model, here, Nimi, Dakore, they are my role model whenever I'm watching movies. So I'm hoping one day I will just be like them someday, which I know someday I'll be like them. You know, the voting was going well, not until when people that actually want to vote for me say they don't have money to vote for me again. So I was like, ah, God, help me. And I don't send the voice note to him that I'm not sure if I will be the winner. I'm not sure, but I know that I will become the second place. But I thank God, which country I become the first runner. And all glory be to God. And I also thank my family, my sisters. They are there for me, my neighbors. I thank all of them. And
All
I
right.
thank the Lord.
All right. You're quite young, very, very young. And are you in school?
Well, I'm done with my secondary school. Just hoping for admission.
All right, that's fine. Now, tell us. All right, welcome once again. I would like to find out, you've seen what's happening in Elegance, and can you say you're proud of Elegance, and what are your expectations from Elegance?
Yeah, well, I'm very proud. I'm proud. When I came here, I wasn't expecting something like this. Yes, I wasn't expecting it, but I thank God. It's all glory to God. Well, I'm expecting Elegance Empire. What I'm expecting is for me, for them to help me to achieve my dream tomorrow to become a movie star. Because I have that talent in me to always act. So I wish for them to take me to that length, to that height that I want to.
Absolutely, you're going to be technical. Thank you very much. All right, we have viewers out there who want to hear a word or two from you. Would you like to speak with them?
Well, I just want to say a big thank you to the viewer. Thank you very much. Thank you for the like and comment. I just want to say, keep watching Elegant Empire. You're about to see the greatness of Elegant.
Thank you very much, Brown. Thank you very much. Viewers, we have Chioma James right here with us. She is the second runner-up of the movie Quest. I please like you to meet her. What is your name? Could you tell the viewers?
My name is Chioma James.
All right, Chioma, you came out the second runner-up, and I know you were actually expecting something big, the winner. How did you feel when you realized you were the third?
I was very happy. Very, very happy. Like, at first, you know, when we started the voting stuff, there's this guy. At first, the first day, got 24 votes. I was like, choose. I was really disappointed because I don't have even just one vote. So I was like, Jesus, how am I going to reach this 24? This guy just one day and we have this 24. I was very disappointed. Very, very disappointed. But I just had to like continue. I don't really have much friends like that. I don't even reach friends, people that will say, oh, my name give you 500, nobody. So I was like, who am I going to tell? All the friends, all the people I told, nobody wants to like, they're telling me, say, I can't help you, sorry, I have the money, but I was so disappointed, very, very disappointed. Then the next day I got one vote. I was like, thank God. At least I got one. The next day, the guy got 42 or something. I was like, I don't know. I was like, how am I going to contact this guy? Let me see if it's Juju that is. Let me to use this. I will like, I don't know. But to God be the glory, child.
All right, Chioma. And then she was not, even when you saw that, you were not driven back. You were determined to do something extraordinary, and you've gotten here today. Chioma, I'd like to know, with your wonderful shape and structure, why did you think of going into modeling? Why the acting?
I I don't like anything model or all those things. What I want is to act. Like I've started acting since I was 2, so I had this dream. Like I've always told my mom, "Mommy, I must enter Nollywood, whether they would like to do." So I was like, any competition at all that comes, I'm going to join, and maybe God will remember me and be one of the Nollywood actors.
That takes us to your expectation from Elegant. Do you see Elegant taking you to your dream?
Yes, I do. Yes, yes.
Alright, lastly, we have the viewers out there who would want you to talk to them, especially your fans out there too. What is your word of encouragement to people who look forward to being like you?
What I'll say, I don't really have much to say, but what I'll say is that once you want something, like you go for it, no matter the circumstance. Yes, no matter the circumstance, just go for it. Be determined. Even though the person is far way higher than you, just continue. Even though it's 2 that you get, at least you got something. Just continue like that.
Alright, thank you very much, Chioma. We're happy to have you here. Oriano, you're welcome. Can we know your name?
Yeah, my name is Courage Aleto, aka Coriano Azanga.
This is a very powerful name. Can you tell us about the name? Maybe yourself too.
I am from Ogun State, actually. I'm living in Lagos right now. So I'm a musical artist. I sing dancehall, hip hop, R&B. So that's what I do.
Alright, Coriano, I was particularly interested in the way you mentioned the name. I just want to bring, how do you come by the name?
Okay. Concerning the name, you mean Azanga or Coriano?
Coriano and Azanga together.
Alright. Coriano came when I was trying to get a name that suits the name Courage. It's just a little bit removing and minusing and blessing and everything. Alright. So something like that. So I checked Coriano on the internet. I saw the meaning, creativity. I decided to take that. Thank you very much.
Alright, Coriano, I quite know that Elegance have taken you thus far. Where do you see yourself? Where do you expect Elegance to take you further?
Yeah, I am so happy actually for being in this team actually. I am so very happy. At first I was thinking maybe it's something, it's not real, it's fake or something like that. But I'm here, I'm just happy that I'm in the right team. Elegance is classic. So I want to see them improve me in every aspect. In singing, rapping, promoting, writing, and everywhere, every places that I'm getting it wrong in music, I want to see them push me to the top.
Alright, thank you very much, Coriano. The fans are watching you right there, viewers are there, they would like to hear something from you. What do you have to encourage them?
Yeah, this life, you fall, you stand up. You fall, you keep on standing up. You don't remain on the floor. No matter how, maybe you don't have supporters, you come out from the slum, you are nobody, you are an orphan, there's nobody supporting you. You have to support yourself. You have to push yourself to the top. No matter how it is, no matter how.
Alright, thank you very much, Coriano. We would like to welcome you once again. Thank you. Alright, we have with us Terry Boy, much more like I wanted to call it Terry G, but that's a very wonderful reaction to the name. I'd like to know the reason behind that. Why would you not want to be associated with Terry G?
No. My name Terry Boy originated when I was in secondary school. So I have a friend, he's a rapper too. His name is Casey, call him my fish. It was like I was trying to open to go then. It was like, bro, what time is open my to go? It was like, man, use Terry G. No, find a better name. It's okay, what of go by the name Terry Boy? So, but that year, Terry G in the hall, and I like the guy. It's okay, man, use Terry Boy. So from there, man, I just not get it, man.
Well, you just told.
But aside from that, the Terry of it, I don't just like his doing it. But just that, I ain't the hot that time, so the song they ring. So just like,
Alright. Alright, Terry Boy. Terry Boy, tell us something very brief about yourself.
okay, my name is Bright Oba. I came from Abia State, it's around 1 month. And I'm the first son of 5 guys who have. So, bro, if I sit and tell you that it's easy, it's never easy for me. Just being hell in a cell life I'm living. And at the time I was like, I was doing a freestyle with some of my guys. You know, the guy is outside the country now, like making some music with him. Like we put beats like this, but I move freestyle. You get my phone, I still play here. We just do freestyle, we do 1 or 2. Sure you get.
We'll do that when we have the
We just did one. They come travel out, something soft. Now street beat, we go. I was like, man, I do one investment, but I want to collect money. That should be 1.9 million. I want to push my music, they dupe me. Kai, I'm like, frustration won't kill me. I was like, within the soul, bro. I just did the flip Facebook, the go. I just see elegant. See all these scam people again, I don't come again. This one. Well, I know what I talk. I call my younger brother when they stay with me. I say, bro, I must see this thing as scam. I can't see the registration free. You don't see for this country, like everything. I say, I try. Now I try. I can't call. When I call him, say I should not call the lines. Just follow the information on WhatsApp, all those things. I just like I drop. I send my pictures, my location, everything. Fine. Now I just try. Bro, if I spend things to you, see, going with God is majority sharp. There you get it. This song, when I was like doing the freestyle, I did it more than 100 times. Because of depression, bro, I lost my vocals, everything. Because I was depressed because of that money I used. My brother when they cry, say, bro, waiting the soul. I go high, I high like this, so that I can get inspiration. Inspiration no come. Voila. I don't feel like for you. Even I did a video self rejected it. He said I should redo it. If you remember. Yeah, I remember you. It was depression. Bro, last. I was like, guy. Now maybe this now. My granddad now artist now. Within the solve, within the worry, within the work, within the solve. I was like, anything where it would be. Even if I don't win, I must participate in this thing. First of all, my MP spoiled. Alright. My MP spoiled. The story long. I just cut them short, yeah. My MP spoiled. Small time, my charging point is spoiled. My phone spoiled. My brother was like, "Guy, they calling for village." OG, I don't know, but I'm on this thing. I must participate. I come from out. When they stroll for street, they cry. Say, "But what thing they happen now?" I just enter one hotel I don't work before. Go meet the management. Say, "I want day for here. Do my freestyle send." The reception want to do one kind. They come meet down, bro. I can't do there, do the freestyle. So I don't finish. Now I begin to play their music. I do their father. Now I send the thing phone. They can say, "Fine, no more." The voting. My niggas, they don't want vote. They were like, "Nah, scam." My G where they US, I chat and all. He said, "He no mind to vote 50K for me, but na scam. Say he prefer me give me the money. Say me he send beat for me. If I freestyle for the beat, he will give me the back." I say, "Bro, no problem. Send the beat, my freestyle. Me give me the money. One hit and vote." Till today, you know, send about no money because where me I dey go, I know this anybody. For me, I thank God because see, you see this my G here, Olifrosh, bro. They don't come. Say they don't come. As much as I say they don't come, bro. We say we reach there. Bro. No matter how slowly you walk in life, so long as you do not stop, bro, you will get there. You are going to get there. No give up. No reason any face, bro. To the street. No reason now.
Thank you very much, Terry. Please a round of applause for Terry Boy. You know, there is this anger that drives a passion in Terry Boy. Yes. And I can see throughout all the things he went through, he was quite determined to make sure that he gets to this point today. And I want to assure you that because you got here, Elegance is not going to let you down. Alright, we are right behind you and we're going to make sure we take you to the zenith of your career. Meanwhile, we quite understand your frustration while trying to get here. What do you think you expect from us after all the things you've been?
Wow, I won't lie to you. This is a real platform to start with and I expect the best. So, in the next few years to come, we're going to have superstars here. I believe in this guy with the bush, this nigga. I believe them. You get, even in the film, we are going to have a lot of stars coming from this platform. So, if you win, you know win, bro. Forget about you win, you know win. Just focus on your career. Person when we know me saying I be the best. Okay, you get. Just get that drive safe, proper. You get something really cool.
Thank you very much,
He almost punched me. Alright, Terry boy, thank you very much. This is actually the first time I've seen him smile. No, it's the first time I've seen him smile on this.
Why everybody complains of that?
Alright, Terry boy, thank you very much. Thank you for smiling too. Alright, just talk to your viewers out there. I know they're liking you already. There's so much liking, so just talk to them out there.
Well, to my viewers, my friends, more especially I would thank my girlfriend Natasha Love. But she has been there, like she's been trying to do a broke up with my ex-girlfriend because she's been nasty, you know. So I don't need any distraction for that. To my mom, you know, I love her so much because whatever I'm doing it for her. And I just pray God just grant me my heart desire. That's what I'm. Thank you very much. I really appreciate this platform, the Elegant Empire. We are just starting now. Starting point B. We never even go anywhere. Yes. Watch Elegant and watch sisters where they come now. We're not the wine.
Alright, thank you very much, Terry boy. It is nice having you here. Thank you very much, viewers. Thank you, everybody. You're welcome. We quite like to appreciate you for putting up a very hard fight to get to the top, but we quite understand that not everybody can win, but trust me, you are a champion because you're here. Alright, so tell us about you.
Yes, first of all, my name is Mama Sunday.
Mama Sunday.
Yes, you can call me Attractive Mama from Benue State.
Attractive Mama. What does that mean, Mama? I know there is this movie that we watched, Mama Diriko, Mama something. But why do you attach that to your name?
My dad is Mama.
Okay.
So I'm son of Mama.
Okay, you're son of Mama. Alright, Attractive. How did you feel when you could not get to the top of the contest?
It's so bad, but it's not everybody that will. That's what encourages me.
Alright, so what kind of music do you
Afro-music.
Attractive. And you've come thus far with Elegance. Where do you see yourself in the next few years? Where do you think Elegance can take you to?
I think Elegance can take me to become a superstar. I always be the best. God grants me my heart desire to become a superstar.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have Attractive right here. Attractive, your viewers are out there, your fans are out there, they want to listen to you talk to them. Would you like to say something to them?
Yes, to my viewers all over the world, I'd like to appreciate you for supporting me. It's not easy. Most of you think that this Elegant Empire is a scam, but it's not a scam. I want all of you to keep on encouraging the young stars that are coming out from Elegant Empire.
Thank you very much, Attractive, for coming around. We appreciate you.